This is just a bit of an update really. This isn't going to be a long video. The plasterers have been in to do the boarding up, and you can probably hear now the echo is back. It's starting to feel like an actual inside room now, which is pretty cool. I've got a job to do this evening. I've just got back from work and I need to drill the holes for the lights. The way I'm going to do that is with a chalk line, tape measure, hole saw, on my drill, and I've got a diagram down there which tells me exactly where the cable should be. So that's the drawing I've done. They're the measurements I took when I actually made the squares in the insulation. So as long as I stick to these measurements and measure correctly from the edges of the walls, I should be drilling the holes exactly where those squares are. So let's see if it all goes to plan. Like, which end is which? Okay, this end is this end. 71.8. Right there. I'll do the same from here. I'm going to run a chalk line from that mark to that mark. Chalk in the face. Well, that worked out a lot better than I thought it would. I might as well get all the chalk lines done now. And then I need to do another measurement of 94 centimetres from this mark along. A little bit further. And I can actually see where the screws are in the plasterboard. That's where the joists are, and it's given me a bit of confidence actually that I can see the marks I'm making are pretty much dead center between the rows of screws. All right, so that's all the marks done on the ceiling now. I'm just going to run the chalk line across and do all the lines, and then I'll measure in along those lines according to the plan. Nice mark. Pull it tight. So I should have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chalk lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so I've got all my chalk lines now. Now I need to measure from the wall along those chalk lines. Should be simple enough. Wearing a black hoodie was probably a bad mistake because I got chalk all over me. Right, there's 70. Moment of truth. That is where one of my recesses should be, so let's have a look. Yeah. Wearing black, definitely a mistake. Oh, bang on. Absolutely bang on. I can't believe it. Success. And the last one. Brilliant. Right, that's all my holes done. And look at the state of me. Oh, for fuck's sake. Flipping out, look at the state of me. Right, anyway, at least it's done now. All the holes are drilled, all the cables are through for the lights, and I've got a dirty hoodie. Probably not a very good idea wearing a black hoodie, but hey, it's done now. I can't do much in here until the plasterers have been. Once the plasterers have been, I'm going to paint it. Once I've painted it, then the electricians can come back in and do the second fix. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked this quick little update, and I'll see you next time.